There's a huge population in the world who do not have electricity.
I mean, this would have been science fiction a few years ago.
Nuclear, coal, natural gas, how that's going to change into the future when perhaps our policy is to transition towards, of course, green or clean energy.
We're going to see a lot of oil companies funding this energy transition. They're already being incentivized to do so through carbon credits, through different government incentives.
Our country has signed several treaties committing to net zero deadlines.
You have to produce the electricity, and if you don't, people are going to find someone that does. That's a reality.
This is a pool of resources. We're using it every day. Demand increases every year.
Companies that have one foot in the oil industry and one foot, in the future, these are going to be the companies that survive and thrive.
We really need to figure out a way for folks to work together on solving a lot of the country's energy needs.